Alright, this is a 42-inch Alaska ceiling fan marketed by K-Mart that I snagged at the Habitat Home Center for $9.50 the other day. It came with the shades and the blades and no mounting bracket. So I have a Lowe's one up there that it hangs on. And, it works really good. Ignoring the fact that the light bulbs don't match and are probably the ugliest light bulbs to put in the fan. Big silos and whatnot. Just what I had in my bedroom. Laying around, so. But it does work. And the fan works as well. And it's kind of unique. It's like the Casablanca Delta 2 that I have in my family room. In order, the blades, or the speeds go from low, medium, high. Give it a little push there to get it going. That's low. Low is pretty freaking slow. Sorry for the noise. I'm outside in my backyard. Hi. It runs good, wobble-free operation. Puts out a fair breeze for a 42-inch fan. The reason I got this, by the way, is just because it's a Spirit of Saturn copy. You know, with the lines and the contemporary styling and obviously not the light, but it's clearly based off of the Casablanca Spirit of Saturn. And then, I like the way it looks. I mean, the light obviously I don't think goes with it all, but I think it kind of does. Quick slow down time. I'll climb up here on the ladder. Hit that reverse switch. There's low reverse. Nice and slow. Reverse. Picking up speed. Makes noise on higher noise. Don't ask what that's about. I don't know. But probably not going to worry about it because if I do install it, chances are I won't use it on high reverse. I have nowhere to install it in this house. I got, Hunter Originals and Casablancas and Emersons and Bascos in this house. Really no spot for a K-Mart Alaska ceiling fan. But anyway. There it is. He's moving the lights. Good. So, go away, fly. Anyway, there's that. And while I was there, I picked up 2 2 CEC spinners, 142-inch, 136, and I'll be filming those here today as well. So look forward to that as well. So hope you enjoyed, and that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed.